Two gents, no sense. Haha.
क्या बना दिया है यार ये?
जोर से बोलो Y2K पोलो.
क्या है ये Y2K पोलो?
Y2K पोलो 2025 का सबसे तगड़ा ट्रेंड रिवाइवल है भाई.
When did it come?
It just came. Did you see Rihanna after the Met Gala event in the morning when she was wearing a red polo with flared denims? And not just her, Timothy Chalamet, Bad Bunny, all of them have been sporting Y2K polos. Y2K polo trend is an example of prep streetwear style where you get to channel your 2000s energy. You pair it with low waist denims and you style it with beads, you style it with jewelry.
I think that's the reason why Carlos Alcaraz was also wearing a polo when he went to pick up the trophy for the French Open final.
Correct. Good observation. He was wearing a cut and sew polo. It is very retro, very vintage. But at the same time, it also gives you a nice refresh when it comes to bringing out your polo energy.
Nice. I like it.
Speaking of Alcaraz, उसने तो मचा दिया अपने टेनिस कोर्ट पे.
100%.
Why don't we take our viewers to this another amazing court?
चलो.
Alright guys, I have a confession to make. So I've been spending my weekends not watching movies, not shopping, not going out dining, but playing pickleball. And all thanks to this guy here, Alex, who introduced me to this sport, and I have to say, it's an addictive game. Alex, what is pickleball all about?
Well, pickleball basically is a mixture of ping pong, badminton, and tennis. You smash them all together, and there you go, you got pickleball.
Even for that matter, in India, people are just going out and about and playing pickleball, be it in a gym or a recreational court or even in a community center. People are going out and having dates on a pickleball court and falling in love.
Wow, so you don't just fall in love with the game, you actually fall in love while playing pickleball. That's an amazing motivation to play the game, guys. But Alex, what do you need to get started?
Well, you need a couple of paddles, some balls, and find a public court. It's free to play.
So it's official. Golf is for uncles and pickleball is the new flex.
Absolutely. Pickleball is fun.
It's fit.
It's fast.
All you need is the will to.
Whack.
And we are back.
मजा आ गया.
Amazing feels यार. No, I didn't think कि इतनी calories burn होंगी, but it requires a good amount of energy and stamina.
पहले लगता है बाहर से कि बच्चों का गेम है, but when you actually get down to it, when you start playing, it thakaus you.
It does. Try some new pickles in life. Pickleball.
छोड़ो आम का अचार, करो पिकलबॉल का प्रचार. ये शायरी है आचारी.
सब पे पड़ेगी भारी.
चलो आगे बढ़ते हैं.
नहीं हो रहा आज.
जाएगा हमारा आज.
लाइट जा रही है. FIFA tickets are out, bro. Let's book it right now.
Absolutely करना चाहिए. I think US और Canada में combined हो रहा है.
Yes.
Definitely book our tickets. Football का market वैसे भी काफी गर्म है अभी. Did you see the unveiling of Trent Alexander-Arnold? He joined Real Madrid at the ripe age of 26.
Just 26.
And the best part is he joined them for free. He spent all his career at Liverpool. He came through the youth ranks there. He probably didn't get the best farewell he should have received at Liverpool because Liverpool fans felt cheated. कि भाई अगर उसे जाना ही था तो at least he should have fetched the club some money. So he could have gone a season before.
उसने नंबर चेंज कर लिया अपनी जर्सी का.
हाँ, he used to wear 66 at Liverpool, but you can't wear 66 in La Liga because they have a rule that you can only wear numbers between 1 and 25.
Okay, so what's his number now?
His number is 12.
If you join the dots, 6 plus 6 is 12. And the total comes to 3.
Yes.
And 1 plus 2 is also 3. It's all about the numerology. Trust me.
Oh, yes.
Everybody believes in it.
ये भी तो consult नहीं कर रहा है उसको.
Sanjay Jumani, you never know.
But I think he's made a very good move.
100%.
I mean, looking at the trajectory of stars who have done this before him, David Beckham का example ले लो. He joined Real Madrid at the age of 27. And then he moved out of Real Madrid and went to US at 31. People called it the most foolish move in the footballing world that time. But then now, when you look back, you know what he did was absolutely genius.
Yep.
He signed a contract with LA Galaxy in MLS and made sure that he has the opportunity to buy a club when he's done playing. And now he's the owner of Miami FC.
I think people who break the mold in a very young age tend to become stars.
एक और बहुत बड़ी न्यूज़ फुटबॉल में आ रही है. So Liverpool is out there in the market. They're trying to get Florian Wirtz from Bayer Leverkusen.
Germany.
Yes, Germany.
Okay.
So Florian happens to be a midfielder. And if the transfer goes through, which I think is mostly a done deal, it will be the most expensive English transfer any English club has ever paid for a transfer till date. So they apparently are going to be paying around 116 million pounds for him. It will be a record. History बन जाएगी.
हिस्ट्री तो बन चुकी है.
कैसे?
South Africa are the new world test champions.
Oh yes, WTC finals.
T20 तो हार गए थे, but they claimed this title.
Absolutely यार, मतलब रबाडा.
High on sugar.
कौन सी? 9 wicket.
Amazing,
My
yeah.
goodness. मतलब he went to the honors board of Lords again. Pat Cummins did so well. 6 wickets तो उसने भी लिए. In fact, if you look at the first few innings, इतनी लो स्कोरिंग थी दोनों इनिंग्स. मुझे तो लग रहा था आफ्टर ऑस्ट्रेलिया हैड अ लीड ऑफ ऑलमोस्ट 200-250. आई वाज थिंकिंग कि भाई अब तो साउथ अफ्रीका तो रैप अप हो जाएगी.
100%.
एडन मार्करम टू स्कोर 100.
Amazing.
व्हाट एन इनिंग्स.
What an
एब्सोल्यूट मैच विनर.
100%.
अब साउथ अफ्रीका को चोकर्स बुलाना ठीक नहीं होगा गाइस.
अब ठीक नहीं
लेट्स
होगा.
चेंज दैट. कूडोस टू बवूमा.
Oh yeah. What a guy. I didn't expect that guy to win the World Test Championship for that team.
साउथ अफ्रीका का राजपाल यादव कर गया भाई. I think South Africa has stolen the WTC from Australia's hands.
That was a good hook. Stolen. कैसी लगी?
तू बता, तूने देखी है, कैसी लगी?
I तो loved it. 94 minutes of thrill. Started at a pace where it was leaning towards comedy. But then जो thrill build किया है अभिषेक बैनर्जी ने,
Oh yes.
amazing. Ending was a little disappointing. But बीच में you were getting that thrills because it's also based on a real incident. And when children get involved in all this kind of setting, थोड़ा डर तो लगता है. But amazing direction.
बहुत जबरदस्त critical acclaim मिल रहा है इस movie को. I've seen, and I think they're saying Abhishek Banerjee is an absolute gem.
Yeah.
The hidden gem of Bollywood.
100%. And I totally believe for the fact he's done so well in Stree 2 and Stree. He's also a casting director. So
Yes,
he
has
knows.
his own casting company. Casting Bay. मतलब यार, what a find man. मतलब he should act a lot more, I feel.
100%. But हाँ, मतलब heavy movie तो थी.
तूने देखा heavy, तो मैंने देखा light.
क्या देगा?
Houseful.
दोनों देखी. There are 2 endings, right?
हाँ. Confession time.
Oh my god.
A और B दोनों देखी.
तो कौन सी देखनी चाहिए?
बट ज़्यादा फर्क नहीं है. ए और बी में बस 20 मिनट का फर्क है. तो बी का मैंने सिर्फ लास्ट 20 मिनट्स देख लिया. आई डिडंट हैव अ वेरी गुड फीलिंग अबाउट द मूवी. नाउ दैट आई हैव सीन द मूवी, आई स्टिल डोंट हैव अ वेरी गुड फीलिंग अबाउट द मूवी. मतलब अक्षय कुमार को छोड़ दो तो मूवी बिल्कुल वैसी ही है जैसा सब लोग सोच रहे थे. अ कंप्लीट डिजास्टर.
Oh my god. But so much money, yeah, they earned.
200 करोड़ के करीब तो कमाई गई है. आई थिंक इट विल मेक मनी. सो एवरीबडी नोज द मूवी इज बेसिकली द 5th इंस्टॉलमेंट ऑफ द हाउसफुल फ्रेंचाइज. इस बार तरुण मनसुखानी ने डायरेक्ट करी है. दोस्ताना वाला डायरेक्टर. स्क्रीन प्ले है साजिद नाडियाडवाला का और लिखी फराज चामजी ने है विद तरुण मनसुखानी. फॉर मी सोनम बाजवा वाज अ सरप्राइज पैकेज.
She is very hot.
She is hot, and there is this scene where she goes into this Punjabi rant,
Okay.
which is an absolute delight to watch. तो वो मेरे लिए highlight थी मूवी की.
Killer कौन है ये बताओ ना.
चलो देखो यार, तुमको अगर चित्रांगदा पसंद है तो हाउसफुल भी देखना. और तुमको अगर फरदीन पसंद है तो हाउसफुल ए देखना. इससे ज़्यादा स्पॉइलर मैं नहीं दे सकता हूँ.
ओके, आई गॉट इट. चलो एटलीस्ट अक्षय कुमार और बॉक्स ऑफिस की दोस्ती वापस हो गई.
करेक्ट. एक और दोस्ती हुई है अभी अभी.
कौन भाई?
जो लड़ बैठे थे 2 यार आज बन गए हैं फिर से एक दूसरे का प्यार.
टॉम एंड जेरी. सॉरी, ट्रम्प एंड मस्क.
ट्रम्प एंड मस्क. अब दोस्ती फिर से हो गई मस्त.
क्या है यार ये लोग?
अरे ट्वीट देखा ट्रम्प का?
It's crazy यार.
I do the biggest and the best reconciliations in the world. भाई जो करता है biggest and best. चलो let's work towards making Two Gents No Sense the best and the biggest YouTube channel.
If not the biggest, at least the best.
कैसे होगा आपको पता है. Like, share, subscribe guys.
चलो bye.
Cheers.